we are going to look at some data, different graphs that relate to this issue of police brutality. So this one that we're looking at right here is about how students receiving out-of-school suspensions, the percentage of students, this is in the U.S., the percentage of students that receive out-of-school suspensions. And it's broken down by race or ethnicity. And then within that, it's broken down by boys versus girls. So just looking at this, we see it's going from 0 and they're measuring up to 20%. Which race or ethnicity is receiving the highest out-of-school suspensions? Which is receiving the next highest? So what do we notice looking at this graph? What do we see? Look at the difference. And as a teacher who has taught high school before, I can tell you it's not that any particular race or ethnicity is acting more horribly than another. Sadly, that is not what is happening here. What's reflected on this graph is what we call racial bias, which means that even people working within a school are basically disciplining certain students worse than others, not even realizing partly is because of their bias, their perspective toward students of that race. And sometimes they're doing this without even realizing it. So, again, look at this graph. Which race or ethnicity of students is receiving the most out-of-school suspensions?